Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really nice little skill type saw here from Dong Cheng. Thank you guys for sending this. This is actually a pretty robust tool. It's a brushless tool, which is nice that it's brushless. Does come with the onboard key to adjust the little chuck to be able to install the blades. Has really nice blade. This actually came with 3 blades. This one here is a 24 tooth blade, more for a little bit of rough cuts. It does come with other optional blades, including a nice bag, I might add, to put everything in, which is really nice. You also get a strap for the bag, 2 additional blades, one of them that's a 40 tooth, which is for more fine cut, and another 24 tooth for ripping boards. You also get an instruction book and a nice guide. This is a kind of a neat feature with the guide because you actually can insert this in here and tighten this part down and get that to where if you're going to be cutting along, it actually will hold your position along the edge of a board. So that's really kind of a cool feature that they provide there. And a lot of other nice parts that were kind of just thought of with the whole thing as far as being able to loosen this and adjust the angle of the cut. And you also, of course, can adjust this piece here that it will adjust the depth of the cut. When you loosen this back part back here, you can adjust the depth of your cut as well, and then just simply lock it back into place. They do provide you with a charger, which I've had plugging in here, and a 20 volt 4 amp hour battery. So you do get the charger, you get the 4 amp hour battery. It's a nice size battery, including the battery indicator on there that shows how much oomph that it has left, up to 100% there. So just to give a brief example here of how this is going to work, I'm going to go ahead and install the battery. You've got a safety there. I'm going to rip it and cut it with that. So I've got a board here just to give a little sample of how we're going to cut, just to see how this dude cuts here. I mean, pretty effortless. It's a nice flat cut. Of course, it's plywood, a little piece chipped off there, but underneath side, smooth, really smooth edge on there. Really nice cut, on that. So it would easily cut a lot thicker boards as well. But trims up really nice, cuts really well. Loving the fact that it's battery operated and portable and comes with a nice bag. Would work well for pretty much anyone's job site.